Okay, so if I have a button, I have two options. One, I can install code, or I can install a link, right? So if I'm happy with all of this, I'll hit Save Changes. And over here, I've got an actual PayPal form, and I've got an email link. If I want to use a button, let's say this button here, let's say I change it to pre-done, right? It looks like PayPal. All I need to do here is insert the email link that I see here. And I'm good to go. That's it. I don't need to do anything else. If I want to actually insert a form, that's a little different. What I'll do in that case is use a text HTML element, uncheck this here, and delete all of the content. And then I'll come back to my button code. I'll go to website. I will grab this code here, paste it in, and hit tab to make sure it sets. And in that case, I'll still get a button, but it'll be a little different. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to use a profit builder button like this, you're going to want to use the email link. And this page shows up once you've gone into PayPal, created your button, and saved it. And if you want to just use what you see here, then you would just need to add this code to the text HTML element.